Rise and shine. So most of my weekends start off this early, but not involving doing my own makeup. But since we're probably going to be filming a lot of this, I just wanted to look presentable. So I have about 30 minutes to get ready. So I literally put on a bib whenever I'm going somewhere and doing my own makeup, because I swear to you, I will get powder all over my shirt and look like a hot ass mess by the time I'm done. So let me just be safe and do this correct way. My daily stuff, I keep it in a little basket in my drawer, make it easier for myself. And yeah, I'm just gonna speed through this. I forgot to turn on the light. Much better. Now you can see every flaw on my face. I love these. Get them if you've never tried them. Today I'm going to test out a foundation that I haven't worn in a very long time. I normally just do airbrush because it's quicker, but I'm testing this out because I haven't worn it in a while. And I'm going to see how it holds up. And ready to go. Let's get this party started. Got my kit, got my gym bag, got it all ready to go. It's also dark out. Joys of being a makeup artist. I hate leaving when it's this dark out. It's just like depressing. But that's the life of a makeup artist. We are up before the sun. Anyway, I thought it was going to take me much longer to get to the city, so I'm going to be there like an hour early, which sucks. But I'll just like wait in the lobby or something, because I forgot that on Saturdays there isn't any traffic. Not in the mornings, at least. There will be later on, but not really in the morning. So like the roads are empty right now, whereas if it was a weekday in New York, right now it would be insanity already. So yeah, so I'd rather be early than late though. Always, 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 because then I can finish earlier and then I can head back. I have another client in my studio right after, and then right after that I'm gonna quickly run to a yoga class. And then I have 2 more clients in my studio, and then my last one is also off-site, so it should be fun. We made it. All my baggage, like for real. Oh, good morning.
Oh my God. I Wallahi, they're gonna come off from last night.
Ready for day 2 of BRAVOCON with the beautiful Jennifer AYDIN.
I know, he's like in a great
She's ready.
Okay, ready? 3. No! I'm nervous. Alright.
We're gonna stay in this position.
I'm nervous. Hey, let me try. What happened?
What camera is this? I'm loving it. 3, 2, open it. Anna, hurry up!
What? I'm ready.
I have other heels to wear just in case for pictures.
Like a celebrity?
I do. With my very foggy sunglasses.
Beautiful.
Hi, baby.
Come on, Miss Jennifer.
Hold on, I'm getting into my car. What? Oh, I did. I'm sorry.
I parked in the front.
Right here.
This is in the front? Is this the front? Then I parked.
This is the side.
This is the side. Yeah, we're not.
I think you left, ladies.
Bye guys, thank you so
Bye,
much.
Jen. Love you. Have fun. Send pics. Send lots of pics. 1 down, 4 to go. And I can't even load my trunk because welcome to fucking New York where they leave 3 inches between your car. So we just finished and Jen is headed to BRAVOCON. I am headed to my studio. I have 1 client and then I'm gonna go to yoga. And then I will have 2 more clients. And then, well, in my studio. And then I have 1 client off site. So I'm really tired. I'm falling asleep. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little sing-along to keep myself awake. So hopefully YouTube doesn't give me a red flag for copyright infringement. Let's just check it out. You're too time and cheap like you wanna be. So I just got a text that my next client had to cancel. I would have stayed in the city a little longer. But now I'm just gonna go to the early yoga class. least I got the text now. I mean, whatever. I think I'll still make it. I'll definitely make it. Like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe. I bought my clothes with me just in case. So I'll just change. I'll change at the studio. So, thank you so much for canceling last minute. Just, you know. We'll address that later. I made it to my yoga studio. So I'm gonna run inside and get my yoga on. Traffic is a bitch today. I gotta go wash my face because I don't work out with makeup on.
Hey guys, this is my yoga studio. I'm only recording because there's no one in here right now except for me. I made it early, very early. So now I gotta put my mat down and then change and then wash my makeup off. Toodaloo.
Yoga done. I didn't get to go to the gym today, but that's okay. At least I got yoga in. I feel good. My knee feels okay. Bothers me still, but you know, it is what it is. And now I'm gonna run home, shower. I have 2 more clients in my studio, and then I have to head to my last client of the day. So, go me. I need a nap. So I couldn't record my last 2 clients. They were hijabis and they didn't want to be shown on camera. Hijabis are the girls who wear the head covering, Muslim women. And so they didn't have it on obviously when I was doing their makeup. So they didn't want to be shown on camera, but I'm hoping I can show you guys my next client. She's one of like my regulars. Traveling to her. I got about 30 minutes to kill. I look decent, which I normally don't, but I didn't really get to wear my foundation for long this morning, so I'm gonna do it again and see how it holds up. This is how I test products on days that I have a little bit of extra time. And I like to do my makeup and then see how the makeup wears. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna do the same process that I did before with my makeup and see how it wears. I'm gonna try to wear it longer. My friend is also in town. I'm probably gonna see her tonight too. So I'm excited. I don't know if I wanna do that or if I wanna do like a cream contour. I'll just do the exact same process and see how it holds up. So yeah, follow me along. Just cleaned up this mess, packed everything up, and now off to the next. Headed to my sister's house to drop off the kiddos. I can't see them because, you know, turn this off. There they are. There's one kid. There's the other kid, somewhere back there. And then I'm going to my last location for the day. I'm tired. I'm so tired. It's 4:20 p.m., which means I have been up for 12 hours and 20 minutes and only got about 3 hours of sleep last night, so I'm exhausted. My baggage is gone. I'm on my way to my final destination. It's been a long day. I'm really tired. This is why I like working in my studio, because I could take 10 people in my studio in the same time that I took 4 people today. 5, well, 1 cancellation, but yeah, so 4 people. It would have been 5, but yeah, I could have literally did 10 people and worked out and not had to waste time dropping off my kids. But studio life is the best life, I'll tell you that. The best thing I ever did was invest in a space. For example, my call time this morning was to set up 7 a.m. But had that been in my studio, so I woke up at 4. I showered, and then I had to drive, and I didn't take into consideration that it's Saturday, not a weekday, so I got there extra early, but still, like, I could have gotten 3 hours of sleep because my stuff would have been set up in my studio already. I could have woke up literally 30 minutes before, showered, and started my day at 7:30. No setup time, nothing. And then another hour and a half to commute back home. It's like an hour and 15. It wasn't terrible, but still, I could have taken another person, 1.5 people in that time. You know, so this is why there's travel fees. This is why I like working in my studio, unbothered. And literally, I could have just popped them out like chiclets. Instead, I spent the majority of my day, what feels like the majority of my day, traveling. So I'm headed to my final stop. I hope they let me vlog when I get there, because my last 2 clients weren't comfortable with it, which I respect that. I completely understand, especially from a religious perspective. Like, I get it. So if you guys, and I have a lot of Middle Eastern clients who do not want to be photographed, who don't want their pictures posted, and I always have to keep that in mind, that, you know, I take pictures and sometimes they're like, you're not going to post this, right? Sometimes they'll let me take the pictures, and other times they're like, I don't even want my picture taken. Like, not a problem. I'm here to do a job, so it is what it is. Hi, Gabriel. Hi, Booga. Booga cheese. Picked up my kids. Kids! Say hi. Hi. And now we're headed home. And I'm very tired. Finally home. Now I gotta go put my stuff away and get ready for tomorrow. Was a good day. Now you guys see what it feels like to be a makeup artist. And follow me. A day in my life, full of craziness, and over and out.